How to disassemble a MINOP instrument. The first step is to push and hold down the black button. At the same time, you want to slide the movable ring down, like this. The next step is to remove the shaft from the handle. To do this, you need to pull back on the star wheel and pull the shaft away from the handle. Put the handle down on the table. The next step is to disassemble the shaft. The first step is to take the outer tube, which is distinguished by the arrow, away from the inner tube and jaw insert. The next step is to pull the inner tube away from the jaw insert. Now you have 4 distinct components of the MINOP instrument. Please follow the instructions for use for further information on cleaning, disinfection, and sterilization. Thank you.